Hi, this is Dennis Williams, and thanks for joining me for an overview of my new Excel product called Create Your Own Line of Credit Solution. As the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and to be able to use your numbers to create and see the power of this strategy, I think is huge. The product goals are first of all, to enable you to visualize the impact of keeping your lazy dollars working 24/7. To see the impact of rescheduling your payments to the end of your line of credit's billing cycle. To actually see your loan interest savings. To visualize the impact that a line of credit's billing cycle has on your savings. And for you to actually see what your loan interest solution will look like. Product features. First one is banks frequently use two different methodologies depending on the country you're from in calculating interest. In the United States, it's the average daily balance, and in Canada, they use the daily interest charge. See for each month over the next 12 months what your line of credit will look like. See how much and when you'll make additional loan payments, and giving you the freedom to create your own amounts and compare the solutions. See how your loan interest savings are calculated, and see the difference between your line of credit balance and your average daily balance so you can see the power of keeping your dollars at work all the time. But the first thing that you need to do to get started is to back up the file so that as you create different solutions, you can come back and keep all the formulas intact as you move forward. Before you get started, you first are going to need to create a budget. If you're spending more than you're bringing in, or as the saying goes, if your outgo is more than your income, then this is not a solution that you want to use. You need to know the beginning billing date of your line of credit. Ideally, you want to be able to schedule paying your bills at the end of your line of credit's billing cycle. The better you can do it, the better the solution. You want to ask if your line of credit enables you to carry a credit balance on your line. And if you're using a mortgage, know what the principal and interest payment is, separate from including things like your mortgage insurance or home insurance as a part of your payment. You want to create scenarios to be able to increase your comfort. We don't want you to use this strategy unless you're totally comfortable with what you're doing and understand the concepts that used to drive this strategy. So if you want to learn more about how to put your dollars to work, you can visit my blog at www.dennis-williams.com. You can email me with questions at dennis@cashmapconsulting.com. And if you want to purchase additional services such as my ebook called Working Your Lazy Dollars, or you'd like personal consulting services to help you get started, you can go to my website at cashmapapp.com. And lastly, to actually purchase the full-on forecasting model that I've created to really help you see what your choices that you make today and how they'll impact your future, then go to the Apple App Store and purchase CashMap. Thanks for joining me. In my next video, we'll go through the detail of creating your own line of credit solution.